Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to download and set up IPVanish VPN on your Mac. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the IPVanish website. I'll leave a link in the description of this video where you can get an exclusive discount. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button in the top right-hand corner. Now you need to choose a plan that works best for you. The monthly plan is $12.99, but the best value plan is the 24-month option. Scroll down, choose your preferred payment method, and enter your details. Then click on Subscribe Now to create your IPVanish account. After subscribing, you need to activate your account. Find the email that IPVanish has just sent you. It should have a green Create Password button. Click on that. You'll then be asked to enter a new password for your account. I'm going to use my NordPass password manager to generate a strong password. Once you've done this, click Sign In. You'll then be able to log in with the account you just created. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the back end of your account. Now we need to download the app to your Mac. Find the Get Our App section and select Mac OS as the platform. This will take you to the Mac OS download page. Click on Download App. Your browser will prompt you to download the installer. I'm going to save it to my desktop.
Once the IPVanish installé is downloaded, open it up and drag and drop the IPVanish logo into the Application folder.
After a few seconds, the application will be successfully installed. You can now exit the installer and delete it from your computer if you want.
Now, open IPVanish.
Because it's the first time, you'll get a prompt. Click Open. When the IPVanish application opens, you'll be greeted with the login screen. Go ahead and log in with the information you used to create your account earlier. Because it's your first time logging in, IPVanish needs to set up a VPN configuration on your Mac. Click Allow. You'll also be prompted to take the tutorial. You can click Begin Tutorial if you like, but for this video, I'm going to click Skip. Now that we've finished setting up IPVanish, we can connect to a server. There are two main ways to do this. First, on the home screen, you can use the map to browse all the available servers around the world. Alternatively, you can click on the Locations tab on the left-hand side menu and scroll through the list of available countries. I'm going to scroll down and connect to United States Dallas server. Once you click on it, it will automatically connect to that server. It may take a few seconds. Once connected, it will say Connected at the top. If we go back to the home screen, you'll see a log of the VPN connection, and your public IP address will have successfully changed. To verify this, let's go back to our web browser and go to whatsemyup.com. Before, it said I was in the United Kingdom. Now if I refresh this page, it will update and show that I'm currently in the United States, in Texas, Dallas. This is great for many things online, like unblocking censored websites or simply changing your location on streaming services. If you want to disconnect from the VPN server, simply click on the big disconnect button in the top right-hand corner. After a few seconds, you'll be disconnected, and you'll be taken back to your normal IP address. So remember to click on the link in the description of this video if you want to get yourself an exclusive discount to IPVanish VPN. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.